How to sign up on freelancer.com. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be putting you through the processes of how you can sign up on Freelancer, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to visit the Freelancer homepage by typing out www.freelancer.com. All right, and then after typing it out, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see some features. You can see the freelancer logo by the top left corner. Then you can see hire freelancers, find work, solutions, etc. And the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see options like login, sign up, post a project. Just go ahead and click on sign up since you do not have an account and you want to sign up on the site. So after clicking on sign up, you'll be brought to the sign ups page. On this page, you can decide to sign up with your Facebook, or you can decide to enter in the details one after the other. So I would enter in the details now. All right, so you can just type out the details. Note that this is just an example. All right, just ensure you take that into notice, and then the next thing to do is type out the last name, okay, and then your email, the email that you would like to use for this particular account, all right, at gmail.com, and then click on your password and enter in a solid password to avoid hackers, and then agree to the terms and conditions, then click on join freelancer, and then you'll be asked to choose a username. All right, so you can see suggestions being made, so you can just go ahead and select any of these suggestions, and then you can now select the account type you want. Do you want to work or do you want to hire? For me, I would select I want to work. You can select you want to hire depending on the kind of account you do want to create. All right, ensure you select the one that works for you. Do you want to work or do you want to hire? For me, I want to work, so I selected I want to work, and then you can see the right up which says please wait while we redirect you, so just wait patiently. So once that's loaded, you can see the first page, which is to tell us your top skills. All right, so you can decide to search a skill, or you can just select a category. Yeah, so for me, I'll be selecting a category, all right, this which is under design, media and architecture, and then you can see the different kinds of skills located. So I'll be picking graphics design, then logo design. All of the skills that I have will be selected here. All right, just go ahead and select them because this will be used to provide the kind of job that you would want. Then after selecting the one you want or the ones that you have, then move to the lower right corner and click on next, and then you'll be brought to the next page where you'll be asked to link your account. All right, so which of them would you like to link? You can decide to link it now or you can decide to skip it. For me, I'll just skip it, and then you'll be asked to type in your real name. Okay, what is your name? Please use your real name as this will be used for identity verification. And then to add a profile, you can decide to add a profile picture by clicking on this camera icon, and then you click on continue, or instead you can click on block if you do not want to use camera as your profile picture. Then move to the lower right corner and click on next. Then on the profile details page, you'll be asked to write a little about yourself. All right, what exactly do you do? This would help clients to better understand your services, and then you'll be asked to describe yourself. So I'll do that now. So after doing that, the next thing to do would be to scroll down to your lower right corner and click on the next option. So after doing that, the next stage for your account creation is to select the language that you would like to speak. English is a major language, and then to add others, you can just go ahead and type out others, as this would increase your chances. And the next thing to do would be to input your dates of birth. All right, so I'll just go ahead to select my date of birth now. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, 3, enter. Once you're done, click on next again, and then you can see almost there check your email to verify your account. So the next thing to do is to add to your email. You can decide to open a new tab and then just go ahead and search out your email. So after verifying your email, you'll be brought to the freelance jobs and content page automatically, which shows that your account has been created. And now on this page, you can see the next step, which is to verify your phone number. Then you can decide to verify it through SMS, and then by the top right side you can see your username, the amount you have in your balance, and then you can see your account and all of that, and you can decide to post a project, your inbox, your and all. So this is how you can create an account on freelancer.com. It is very simple to do actually, so ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.